Well, switching gears to weather now, meteorologist Ashley Gann is back and keeping an eye on things. And we're hoping that we're not going to see rain this weekend, but probably coming, huh?
Yeah, it looks like rain and even some storms are on the way. We have been very spoiled the last several weekends, so I guess this is about time. Maybe it's just a one and done event for the month of June, though. Let me start with today, and then we'll kind of roll into the weekend as we are starting to round out this week. A lot of kids, this is their first full week off of school, and it's feeling like summer outside. By 6 a.m., temperatures will already be at 70 degrees, mid-80s by 10 o'clock. By noon, already at 90, which I know if the kids are looking at this forecast, they're excited because this is pool weather for sure. So the neighborhood kids definitely going to be sitting poolside today. I guarantee it. That heat continues today. The rain chances will be increasing tomorrow just a smidge, and rain is back for your weekend. So if you do want to head out to the neighborhood pool today, tomorrow, probably the better days to do it, as well as Friday. This weekend, though, it looks like the weather pattern becomes a bit more unsettled. Looking at the skies this morning, not seeing a whole lot of activity. I did notice some fog as I moved into work this morning, but remember, I come in very early, but the fog usually sticks around until daybreak, and I do expect for us to see some just very, very minimal patches out there. Reason being that dew point temperatures at 69 or 67 with air temperature at 69. When those two numbers are very close, the air mass is very saturated, and that's how we see fog. Temperatures this morning ranging anywhere between 65 in Coleman and Jasper to the upper 60s here in Birmingham, 68 in Alabaster right now, with Talladega reporting 66 degrees. Anniston, you're sitting pretty at 67 on this Wednesday morning. It's a dry scan across central Alabama. This is a live look from our Storm Track radar at this hour, and it's going to remain this way for much of the afternoon. But I do want to point out there's just a couple of little blips on the radar. A lot of this, though, is going to manifest itself in the form of some heavier drizzle and mist. This isn't necessarily heavy rainfall. So if you do have to use the windshield wipers this morning, it should be very brief. Looking at the big board, where highs today will return to the lower 90s. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds. We're looking at highs ranging anywhere between the upper 80s and lower 90s. And that will depend on cloud cover and rain. Like you'll notice in your futurecast, a few of those scattered showers through late afternoon. This is the time of year. Okay, this is a fancy science word. It's called diurnal heating. Okay, that's your big lesson for today. Basically, that just means daytime. That's a big word that just means daytime. That daytime heat is what lifts the atmosphere and creates those afternoon showers. That's why in the summertime, we have those late afternoon showers and storms. Same story for our Thursday, but that unsettled weather pattern is going to carry us into the weekend. On and off showers and storms Saturday with rain for your Sunday, but good news, that clears out and temperatures actually backing off just a bit early next week. And that's a look at your Storm Track 7-day forecast. Art.